Hello guys, welcome back. Let's make some Nigerian donuts. For that you need all-purpose flour, powdered milk or liquid milk, some sugar, yeast and vanilla essence. The vanilla essence is totally optional. You can use nutmeg depending on what you want. So I'm going to leave the full recipe or rather the full ingredient in the description box. So make sure you check that out if you are planning to make create this recipe. So in a bowl I'm mixing my dried ingredients. Now if you are using powdered milk, you can use warm water to mix this, but if not you can use your warm milk. It's totally okay. So I'm going in with my yeast. I'm using instant yeast. I don't need to prove this. Okay, so I'm going to mix that up. I'll add my sugar and I'll go in with my milk. I'm going to mix everything up with my milk. Then so after adding my milk, I'm going to mix this up with I'm going to turn this up with my spatula. I will mix it very well before using my hand to further mix it. Okay, so keep watching. So after sectioning the dough into different parts with a knife, I'm going to roll it into a ball. Then I'll use my finger to create a hole in the middle. Then I'll use my hands to stretch it out so that it will get that signature donut shape. I don't know, I believe you understand what I mean. So that is what I'm demonstrating in this video, and I hope you're enjoying it. If you're enjoying it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share for more videos. Okay, keep watching.